how to draw a Mealy state graph. As we have discussed for the Mealy state graph, the method is similar. But first of all, we need to understand how to draw a state diagram. This state diagram is already given in the exam. You need to draw Mealy state table, Mealy state graph. You need to write a state equation, and based on that state equation, you need to draw its logical circuit with the help of gates and flip-flops. We know that flip-flop is used to store bit. If you want to store a single bit, we need to use a single flip-flop. If you are going to store a 4-bit, you need to use a 4 flip-flop. Alright? Now, focusing on this state graph, or you can say state diagram, you can use either of both of this. Okay? Now, this state graph, what it represents? You can see over here. It has 3 states, right? S0, S1, S2. Single input, that is W is the input. It can have either 2 values, 1 or 0. Single output, it can either have value 0 or 1. Right? So, comparing this Mealy state graph with the Moore state graph, what is the difference in state diagram? The difference is, in Mealy state graph, we are going to write the output inside the circle. Alright? Outputs and the inputs are inside the circle in Moore, and in the Mealy, outputs and inputs both are outside the circle. Alright? See over here, you can see that W is equals to 0, Z is equals to 0. What does it mean? My output and the inputs are written outside from this circle. So what is in the circle? In the circle there is only a present state. Alright? Second thing, if my state is going to be changed, my arrow will be moved forward. If my state is not going to be changed, my arrow will remain in the same state. Alright? Now, I am going to explain this state graph. First of all, S0, S1, S2. My S0 is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now, if my input W is equals to 0, what is my output and what is my next state? First, I am focusing on my input is equals to 0. My output is equals to 0 as well, and my state is not going to be changed. So my next state is going to be the same as my present state, that is 0, 0. Alright? Now next, W is equals to 1. What is my output? Output is equals to 0, that is equals to 0. Can you see over here? Right? What is my next state? Next state is 0, 1, that is S1. Right? Now, from this, we can conclude that if my input is equals to 0 and my present state is 0, 0, my next state is same as my present state. But if input is equals to 1, my next state will going to be changed, that is S1 over here. Alright? Now, for S1, for W is equals to 0, W is equals to 1. If W is equals to 0, my state is going to be changed. But if W is equals to 1, my state is not going to be changed. Alright? Again, S2. If W is equals to 0 and 1, my state is going to be changed. And the next state is 0, 0. And corresponding output, Z is equals to 0 and 1, respectively. Alright? This is the way to draw Mealy state diagram, and from this graph we are able to derive a state table. How to draw it? Let us see. Mealy state table. This is the way, as we know that present state is A and B, as we have used 2 flip-flop to store a 2-bit, right? One input, that is W, which is my primary input. What is my next state? Next state is A plus B plus. Okay, plus represents the next state, right? What is my output? Only one output, that is Z. It has either a value 0 or 1, right? Now, in present state, there are only 3 states that we have discussed in the state diagram, which is S0, S1, S2, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, right? So based on that and based on the input value, either it is 0 and 1, what we are able to derive is, we are able to derive what is my next state and what is my input, that is from the input what is my output. So we need to consider by drawing a Mealy map 3 variables. One is input and one is my present state that has a 2 bits A and B. Alright, so we are able to derive what is the state equation for A plus B plus and Z. From this state table, we can see that how to draw its circuit diagram. But before focusing on the circuit diagram, we need to understand how to write its state equation. So before starting this circuit diagram, we need to first focus on its state table. You can see over here, column A plus. At where I am getting a 1, I am getting a 1 for a value of A and B is equals to 0 and 1. Alright, and what is the value of W? Value of W is 0. So I can say that A plus is equals to W dash A dash B. So this is the equation, state equation for A plus. You can write it directly from the state table. Alright, what is state equation for B plus? We can directly write it from state table. First, we need to consider at which place 1 is there. So there are total 2 places. One is for 0, 0, that is A dash B dash for value of W is equals to 1. So W A dash B dash plus W A dash B. Okay, why it is W? Because value of W is equals to 1 over here. Alright, and why we are going to place a dash? If the value of any variable is equals to 0, we need to place dash, that we know already from the chapter number 2, from the mean terms and max term. Alright, so for B plus there are 2 mean terms. One is W A dash B dash and W A dash B. Okay, now for Z, at which places 1 is there? 1 is there for 2 places. The first one is W dash A dash B plus value of W, that is 1. So W, value of A and B, 1, 0. So A B dash. So W A B dash. Okay. So we need to use NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. Alright. So based on that we are able to derive its diagram, that is Mealy circuit diagram. Now, why we have used over here a D flip-flop? As we know that in generalized block diagram, it consists of combinational circuit, flip-flop and again the combinational circuit, in which a flip-flop that we can use is D. The reason is, we know that whatever the state of the input, whatever the input that we are going to apply to the flip-flop, it will give the output based on the clock pulse. And we know that flip-flop is the H trigger, and this flip-flop is going to be triggered for either positive and the negative H. Alright, so these two are the flip-flops that we have used. Why two flip-flop? Because we have used two variables, A and B. So one is for DA, one is for DB. What is combination circuit over here? It's a combination of and then over here OR gate, right? Clock is applied individually to the both the flip flops. What are my output? Only one input is there. Okay, DA, DB, two outputs. A bar for DA flip flop and B bar, DB flip flop. Right? Now we are able to derive how to draw its circuit diagram for specific state graph. Now, what we have written over here, as we have discussed, for Z, it is W, A and B bar. Okay, that means we are going to use AND gate. Second AND gate is for W dash, A dash and B. Okay, so W dash, A dash, B. So that is going to be applied to the input of the AND gate, and output of these two AND gates are applied to the OR gate, because we have two minterms and these two minterms are going to be separated from with the help of OR gate. So we are going to use OR gate for Z. So resultant is my output, that is primary output, that is Z. Right? Now for DA and DB, for DA and DB we know that A dash W, that means AND. Okay, so we are placing the AND before the DB. So DB stands for W into A dash, and for DA, what is the output? A dash, W dash and last one, that is B. Alright, so in DA there are three inputs which is coming from AND gate, its output, and for DB there are two inputs which are applied to the AND gate and its output is given to the input of the flip flop B. Alright, this is the way to draw a Mealy circuit diagram. Now we are focusing on, from the state table we have derived this circuit diagram, and now we are focusing on the comparison between Mealy and Moore. First of all, Moore machines are safer to use. Why? Because its output depends only on the presence, it doesn't depend on the input. So circuit will becomes a more simpler. Okay. Second, output changes at the clock edge. Right? That means a flip flop is the edge trigger. That means either it can be triggered from the positive or negative. Apart from that, in Mealy machine, input changes can cause to the change in my output, because my output depends on the input as well as my present state. Right? Second, Mealy machines are faster because the output is dependent on the inputs and present state. Okay? So over here, a Mealy and Moore machine with its state table, state diagram, state equation, state graph, and this logical circuit diagram.